Get a feel for the 2023 Nissan Murano. Relax and make the most of everyday errands or adventurous road trips in this smooth-riding Murano. Tech-savvy and upscale, this roomy midsize crossover has the features you need to feel confident on every journey. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, backup camera, lane keeping assist, fog lamps, power passenger seat, remote engine start, wood grain interior trim, heated mirrors, satellite radio. Make the most of every journey when you travel in the comfort of this well-designed Murano. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.